guys, welcome back to another episode. Today we're going to be making some yummy red berry sangria popsicles. Super refreshing with a little bit of citrus. So let's get started. So we're going to add some red berry sangria. Any flavor will do. Something light. A splash of peach schnapps. My favorite. Obviously. So we're going to add some club soda just to give it a little fizz, not too much alcohol, and just give it a really good mix. Look at that color. Okay, so you're going to take some cut fruit. I chose some citrus, orange, and some strawberries. Super yummy. Just pop them right into the mold. This is such an easy recipe. You can do it like the afternoon or the day before your brunch. Put them in the freezer, and then you guys can have some fun. I recommend probably putting them into the freezer for maybe 6 to 8 hours, so maybe in the morning or the day before. Super fun, super refreshing, and there you have it. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you next Friday. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video. Let me know in the comments below what you want to see next week. Bye.